Tudo Kitchen, boy. I'm hungry.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Tudo Kitchen. Today we're going to be making lemon pepper salmon with a nice butter sauce. So I have here a small little salmon fillet, nothing huge, just one of those like little $5-6 salmon, individual salmons you can get from the grocery store. Just go ahead and cut that in half. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and season it up with some nice kosher salt. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put some oil on it. I forgot to put this on first. If you want to put it on first, go ahead. Do it in a different order, but just add some oil, some salt, some pepper. And don't be afraid to season this nicely, but make sure you season evenly as well. I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. This is not a super crazy recipe, y'all. Like, super simple, super easy to make, and super quick. Alright, now I've made my own herb seasoning. I'll put the recipe for that below. But if you don't have an herb seasoning, just use like potentially like Italian seasoning mixed with garlic powder, basically. Alright, now go ahead and take a lemon. We're just going to go ahead and zest it on top. If you don't have a lemon zester, you can attempt to use the smaller side of a cheese grater. It should work basically the same way. Go ahead and rub that in. It's super easy. Like, as you can see, we're pretty much halfway done with our recipe already. Only thing we haven't added just yet is our seafood seasoning, so pretty much any sort of Old Bay. But basically just do the exact same thing to the back side, the skin side. Alright, now let's go ahead and put these in the oven at 400 degrees for no more than 15 minutes. Alright, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of white wine. Also, I have some shallots and garlic chopped up here. If you don't have any shallots and garlic, at least shallots, make sure you use yellow onion or white onion. Now we're just going to pretty much let our mixture start to simmer, and we're going to add a 1/2 stick of butter in there now. Now this is on low to medium heat, so you just want it to go really low and slow. It'll start to form a nice thick butter sauce after it melts and starts to thicken up, as you can see here. Now everything will try to separate, but you just keep it moving, and that's it. All you got to do is keep it low, keep it moving, and it will start to emulsify, which means basically just kind of combine together. Then boom, look at this. We have a nice butter sauce to go on top. So delicious. Now you could add some extra things in your butter sauce too, like maybe a little Parmesan if you wanted to, whatever. But I hope you guys enjoy, y'all. This was a really delicious recipe, really quick, really easy. Yeah, y'all.